morning, students. Today I am telling you something about future tense. As in term 1 you have completed present tense and past tense, so you know about these two tenses very nicely. Now in next tense is future tense. So future means now you have read the chapter also into the future. So you know the meaning of future very nicely. Okay, we have read the chapter on future, है ना? So this future means something which happen in after some time. Okay, not today, not yesterday. It will happen tomorrow or any days, few days after. Okay, this is only a guess. You can guess कि हाँ ये काम हो सकता है. ओके हाँ वो आ सकता है जिसके बारे में आपको थोड़ी सी श्योरिटी हो. ठीक है, सो आपको पता हो कि दिस में हैपन विद इन 2 days, 3 days or like that. Okay, after some days in future. Okay, so in the future tense is used to talk about an action that is expected to take place something in the future. Okay, now in class 5th we are going to read simple future tense. Okay, so the future tense is formed using the helping verb will. In this future tense, compulsory is use of will. Okay, and suppose I will go home after an hour, means you have surety कि you will go home after some time. So you will use will. जो काम आपको पता है कि थोड़ी देर बाद होगा. ठीक है, in simple language I told you. They will play a match next Saturday. Maybe on next Saturday they will play the match. So it is not in present, not in yesterday. It will happen after few days. So we say it is future. So I hope you understand the meaning of future and use of will also. So let us discuss the book exercises and framing of sentences so that your concept will be clear more. So question A on page 60. Complete the sentences using the simple future tense form of the verbs given in the brackets. Now the verbs we have given in the bracket after each sentence. You have to use that verb and apply the rule of future tense. Okay, suppose first my uncle dash here by tomorrow afternoon. There is possibility that uncle will come. Okay, after some time. So you will, in this way there is some certainty or some possibility is there, expected action. Okay, ये work होगा. ठीक है, so that is called future. So now I am going to read all the sentences. My uncle will reach here by tomorrow afternoon. Second, next year my brother's birthday will fall on a Friday. I am going to Amritsar. I will stay with my aunt there. Fourth, this month is July. Next month will be August. Okay. Fifth, Farhan will appear for the interview even though he is not well. Sixth, I will cook rice and dal today. Means they have planned to cook. Already they have planned for some time afterwards. Seventh, I will buy the ingredients and bake a cake for my sister's birthday. है ना? Planning is there for next time. We will ask the gardener to plant more gulmohar trees in the park. Ninth, it will take more than 2 days to travel by train from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. 10th, Rohit says he will wash the dishes after dinner. Okay, in this way the sentences are very clear to you. This is planned for coming time. So already it is the expected actions. Okay, already they have planned they will go to Amritsar and they will stay there. Okay, like that birthday will come on this day. So it is expected. So it is called future. Now B is very simple question. some jumbled words are given. You have to arrange them properly to make a sensible sentences. So don't worry, I will send you pics of my grammar book so that you can complete your book exercises on your own. Take your own time to complete. Write neatly so that it should be readable. First, I am reading only the corrected form, not jumbled. So, ठीक है? I am reading the proper sentence. First, I will wake up early tomorrow. Second, the members will divide the money equally among themselves. Third, the artist will finish painting the picture next week. Fourth, we will remind him about the meeting next Tuesday. Fifth, I will call her back later. Sixth, I will invite my friend to my sister's wedding. Seventh, we will learn about the oceans in school. Eighth, I will reach the airport on time. Ninth, who will bail the cat? Now this is question. So you have to put question mark after that. That is called punctuation. Simple sentences you have to put full stop. If question is there, you have to put question mark. Otherwise you will lose mark. 10th, all of us will live longer than a tortoise. So these are the sentences. But in future tense, we generally used to going to. This is also a new rule. Sometimes we use the verb going to indicate actions that are about to take place in the immediate future. Means you have to decide just now what you have to take decision after some time. Means I have to take sudden decision. No, give me tickets. I will pay you afterwards. So this decision I have taken just now. Okay. In front of the situation, if you have to take decision very fast for future, so that is also a future tense, but we are using going to. So we are giving you some sentences, so you will understand the use of going to. Suppose I am going to cook my favorite dish. Means आपने अभी decision लिया कि I will cook my favorite dish. The teacher is going to tell his students a story. This is just fast decision. So in that fast decision situation, you have to use going to. Okay? Now we are looking some sentences so you can understood very fast. Fill in the blanks. This is on page number 62. Fill in the blanks using is MR plus going to. Now you know the rule of is MR. Single ho, so you have to use is. He, she, it, you will use is. We, they, you use are. And I is a naughty बच्चा. उसके साथ always you will use am. ठीक है? So this rule you have to use, and plus you have to use going to. Going to will come in all the sentences, but you have to choose is MR. ठीक है? So 10 sentences are there. I am going to read for you, and I will send pic of this also. Tushar is going to play the role of an old king in the skit. ठीक है? Is, Tushar is single, you will use is. I already told you, I के साथ am. Don't look here and there, just if you see I, put am. I am going to get my ticket booked for London later this afternoon. Third, they, I told you they के साथ क्या आता है? Are. They are going to complete their homework before sleeping. Fourth, it is a horror movie. It is going to be scary. Fifth, my father and I am going to learn golf this winter. They have decided just now that they will learn golf in this winter. Sixth, the laborers have come. They are going to fill the hole on the road. Seventh, he is not feeling well. I am going to call the doctor. This decision is taken just now. 8. The room is very dirty. Neeraj is going to clean it now. 9. The children of class 5 are going to present a dance program tomorrow. 10. Who is going to lend us the costume for the show? ठीक है, so you have learned the use of is are plus going to. Going to कब यूज करना है? When you take decision for future just now. Immediate decision. ठीक है, I hope you have understood the future tense very nicely. Go through the exercises, complete your book exercises, you will learn more. Okay, so till then, have a nice day. We will meet after Diwali. Okay, so happy Diwali to all, and please study भी continue रखना. Don't waste your time in playing with crackers. Okay, and take care of yourself in this pandemic also. ठीक है, now goodbye. Have a nice day. Love you all.